Welcome to Health Plans Today. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Kills sinus infection in 20 seconds with this simple method of the house. Sinusitis is inflammation of the sinuses of the skull located on the forehead on both sides of the nose, which is due to an infection of the nostrils or dental alveoli, usually causes nasal obstruction and headache. Cleaning the sinuses helps prevent and fight infections. That is why in this article we will share an exercise with which you can clear your sinuses in just 20 seconds, is something very practical that everyone can do. In addition, also we share a natural remedy with which you will be able to clean the nasal sinuses. Discover them. How to clear the sinuses in 20 seconds. Many times we suffer from nasal congestion, and it is not just due to infectious attacks. A common cold or allergy can cause an inflammation or blockage of the sinuses. This causes great problems for sleeping, eating, and even talking comfortably. If you want to clear your paranasal sinuses, we tell you a very effective method. 1. Sit comfortably, with your back straight and your head relaxed. With the tip of the tongue, push up the top of the mouth, in the middle of the palate. 2. Hold for 20 seconds. 3. At the same time, press in the middle of the eyebrows with a thumb. 4. After this time, rest for 10 seconds. 5. Repeat again. In a short time you will feel the congestion disappear. This practice pushes a bone called a vomer. The vomer is placed at the sides of the nostrils, and when pressed it yields slightly. Remedy with apple cider vinegar for the sinuses. If you consume it regularly, this food will help you fight the infection from within, strengthening your immune system. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar a day will kill sinusitis in 4 days. In addition, this remedy will help clean the sinuses. To do this you will need 1/4 cup unfiltered apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, ½ cup water, 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Preparation. Place the water in a saucepan and bring to a boil over medium heat. When it boils, add the vinegar and lower the heat. After 1 minute remove the heat. Add honey and pepper. Finally, squeeze the lemon and add the unfiltered juice to the preparation. Consume 2 tablespoons daily until you feel relief. You can dilute them in a glass of water. Now you know how to cleanse your sinuses in case you have sinusitis. We hope this method will be very useful.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.